Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today's recipe is pasta Arrabbiata. It's a really easy and delicious recipe. Take about 180 grams of boneless chicken, in which I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt, half a teaspoon of salt, and about a teaspoon of tandoori masala. If you don't have a hold of tandoori masala, you can use half a teaspoon of chili powder and a pinch of turmeric. Mix everything well and cover it up. Place it in the fridge for about 10 minutes. In a pan on a medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil and add the marinated chicken. Cook until the water released from the chicken is completely dry. At first, cook the chicken on the medium-high heat, and after 5 to 10 minutes, turn up the heat to high so the water dries up. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of chicken powder, and a pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix each and everything well so everything is incorporated. At this point, the heat is medium-high. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of pizza sauce. If you don't have pizza sauce, you can use chili ketchup. Mix everything well. And into this, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of water to thicken up the sauce. Mix everything well. Now I'm going to add about 2 cups of boiled pasta macaroni. You can use any pasta shape you like. Mix everything well so the sauce, the chicken and pasta mix together and every pasta piece is completely coated. Add about 1 tablespoon of plain ketchup. Mix everything well. And that's about it, guys. Serve hot. It's really delicious. I hope you guys try this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video with some delicious recipes. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.